Hi guys. Haibo, I just remembered something. You know, my brother Njabulo always says that. I remember, in fact, when this Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi explosive tell-all or a drop in the ocean, okay, vibe, don't, whatever you want to call it, kwelo cala lakho. But he said when we were having a live on TikTok the other time, he was like, no, General Mkhwanazi, the reason he did this is because he was frustrated of trying to do his job, and the resources and whatsoever is needed or means to go forward or whatever that he needs to do, he's unable to do it because someone is trying to block him. Some of us did not understand quite well what he meant by that, Njabul. But today, when Mkhwanazi was explaining what was happening, the way he went, I remember I read a comment on my earlier video of someone who says, the general actually, this is Twitter by the way, the general actually tried everything, spoke to Masemula and asked him to talk to Mchunu, but that didn't happen. He asked the Masemula to talk to president, but that didn't happen. He asked to be invited to parliament. Also, me personally, now this is how I understood this. General, when he says he was saying this, he says he spoke to his boss, which is General Masemula, and there was no feedback. He spoke to the person that is inside the KZN. Is it KZN? But I forgot umbizani, but there's a name for that person that ambizangalo uthe I forgot the name. I'll check when I do other videos. But what he said there is that he tried to speak to that to organize a meeting with the minister. That also did not help him. And then he eventually contacted Ian Cameron Duguti, because he is I guess the head of the commission of ad hoc committee, not commission. Yes, in parliament under SEPS. So that one invited, but still he, as much as Bawaba invited into parliament, that still did not help him, because the result he was, I suppose he's a man that is driven by results, he's driven by results in his work. And he is also a man that hates being stagnant. He wants things that are going to yield results. He wants to see a way forward. He's that man. That's what I could figure out when he was talking about the frustration. That was him telling us how frustrating it was for them ukuthi what you call bakwazi ukusebenza. Do you know what else I liked about General Mkhwanazi is this? Ekseni, when he arrived, bamfungisa ke, like, do you blah 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 blah, do you I'll tell the truth, whatever you say, he was done. And then do you know what I liked is that General Mkhwanazi does not trust anyone in that table. He doesn't trust anyone there. He's not befriending. He's just respectful. But Uguti, he's gonna let his guard down. It's not going to happen, Mabakol. Okay. When he arrived there were 4 bottles of water. He was like, I am drinking. You know what? He brought his own. I saw someone commenting and saying, even when they go, whatever, Zamapolisa, the guy brings his own lunch. He has trust issues when it comes to SEPS. Like, a lot of things happens with SEPS. People get poisoned, allegedly, because that's what was alleged Ngondlovu and others. People get poisoned. People get this and that and that. So he's here. U-alert also, Kuti, I do not trust. He doesn't want their water. He brought his own. And then I saw another incident. There was a guy who was trying to greet Mkhwanazi. Efunisandla, he gave, like, doing a handshake. He did not. He just, okay, he ended up doing the fist pumping, because I'm like, Mkhwanazi was like, I'm not touching nobody's hand. But okay, let's do the fist pumping. Why are you giving me more? Because the guy came from somewhere to be giving him his hand. I'm so impressed with him, how he conduct himself. I do not want to lie. We will talk about the things that he said in another video, and we will talk also about the evidence leader. Okay, maybe we should talk about that too. The evidence leader. Ekseni qala nje, when we began, I was like, when we were beginning with the Tuntun, it's like ebesenzu touch and go. In my view, I could be very wrong. I could be very wrong. She was doing touch and go, and then Jiggy. Also, at some point, I felt like she wants him to say things that are going to come back to bite him. Like avume izinto ezithizeni ukuthi no, I like how he said when he started to explain it was a collective of police officers. And I got to a conclusion yokuthi actually I kind of understand why there would be such police people that are like, we are tired. Because if these people are not fixing these problems together, it's not like everyone KwaSEPS is corrupt. It's not that case. It's not like everyone KwaSEPS is corrupt, but now those ones that are corrupt, seemingly they are the most powerful, and it also seemingly they are the most feared because they get aggressive, they do things to people, etc. I love what those people came in. And also I was very uncomfortable at some point when he kept saying, I'm told, I hear or whatever. I was like, Mkona's evidence too, because these people can change their minds on you. But he looks very confident. He looks not arrogant, no, confident. He looks like, I know what I'm doing. I'm putting my life on the line. I will die for my country. That's what I am seeing when I see him here. Even his demeanor is of a person who says, I know what I'm doing. Relaxani. Chill out, gents. Chill out, ladies. Chill out, all of you, Mzansi. I'm good. I'm protected. He's like, I'm here, I'm doing this, and I'm not backing down. I'm not backing down because what the hell is this? And we'll talk. Okay, let me not mention that now. I'm going to do another video because there's a lot of things that are going on. And I'm sure we have a lot of questions on our minds. We have a lot of questions in our minds because what the hell, guys? What the hell? Let's see. Omunye uthi, sure, safika kuvuthondaba. Hayi, South Africa is a movie. Even though nothing was done, Ian Cameron did great inviting the general. He did all he could, but again, the mediocrity and lack of action showed up. Sisenjeni shame if these people are our leaders. And then omnye ati, you can't confuse the general. He's even correcting the commissioner. He's so focused. Amnye iti, who is Madala, who was trying to handshake, too hard to shake hands with the general. Aibo. Yes, that's what I was referring to. Someone else saw that too. Omunye ati, General Mkhwanazi's testimony day 1 is done. Let's meet tomorrow again. I can't wait for Sibiya, Masemula, Khumalo, and Mchunu. All I can say is that the general did everything to keep the political killings task him alive. And for that, I respect him. He is indeed the best. General Mkhwanazi has delivered a fatal shot on Minister Senzo Mchunu. Minister Mchunu does not have the power to disband the task team investigating political killings. General Mkhwanazi says that he has received that Senzo Mchunu was being influenced by criminal syndicates. This general is still adding fuel to the flames. Nobody can convince me otherwise. Mkhwanazi is stirring. So sizobona ke guys ukuthi kuzoyenzekalani because the people have spoken and we are sitting here. Guys, did you see? It was 26,000 plus minus 20. At some point, it was plus minus 26,000 and something people who were watching. Plus minus 2. I think perhaps maybe 30K, but there was a lot of views. In South Africa is like sifunu ibona le into. Sifunu kuyibona le into. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.